Hey there, so today we're going over how to manage the AI chat on the mobile app. So to start off, a customer will be on your website and they'll ask the chat box a question. And now you'll see that the AI is responding. And when you log onto your mobile device and you go to the PathlyCRM app, it'll bring you to the homepage and you'll have to click on Conversations. And you'll see that it pops up as Guest Visitor. It pops up as guest because we don't ask for their name before they start a conversation. However, as soon as the guest gives their name and contact information, it will automatically be updated. So now you see that there's two options right here. So it gives you a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and that's depending on if you like the response that it gave. So if you like it, you can give it the thumbs up, and if you did not like it, you'll give it the thumbs down, and it'll bring you to this edit response. And you can go in and change the answer, and then you would just click Train Bot. As you can see, the AI can automatically respond to leads, or you can jump into any conversation and take over manually when needed. To do that, you simply type in your response and press the send button. And you'll see that that popped up on the website as well. Again, it's very important to remember you need to click on Conversations to view the conversations happening on your website, and also the responses will get better and better over time as it is trained accordingly. And that's it for today's training. Stay tuned for our next video.